I left the Olympic Peninsula to begin a multi-day trip to Wyoming to visit Yellowstone National Park. I decided to overland along the way. Day one was to head to Vantage, Washington, which is right on I-90 on the Columbia River. This area gets far less rain and is much more arid than the western part of Washington. Nevertheless, I've always admired the terrain driving through, and now I get to enjoy this area overlanding. Alright, so made it to the Columbia River here at a lookout area, and got the Jeep up here. It's on the top up here, so pretty nice. Now just need to find a campsite, and would love to have something on the top up here with the view, but just check out these views. All right, let's see if we can go ahead and find a campsite now. All right, so the sun's starting to set a little bit. Pretty nice here. So we're gonna start cooking. So what's on the menu for tonight is gonna be salmon, scallops, and some asparagus. Let's get to work. So salmon, scallops, and some asparagus. So I'm gonna save some of the asparagus for tomorrow. But I forgot my plate, so I gotta reuse these little styrofoam things the salmon came in. So see how it tastes. Try not to burn it. So good. Nice and tender. All right, so really good dinner tonight, and enjoying a nice sunset here. So beautiful views. Pretty happy with the campsite, and wake up, have breakfast, and pack up a little bit and see if we can make it to Yellowstone by tomorrow. So we'll see, but just admire this amazing sunset. Just absolutely gorgeous. So anyways, I'm gonna start winding down. I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready for bed, and gonna wake up probably around midnight or so and try to get some Milky Way photos. There's also supposed to be a meteor shower. I love just looking at the stars, and right now looks like it's gonna be some good skies for it. So excited about that, and I'll post those whenever I get them. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, all packed up, ready to go. So plan is now we're gonna go down, check out the river, and then come on back up, hit the road, and head to Yellowstone. So let's go see the river. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check back for the next day when I head to Yellowstone. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you want to see more overlanding content like this. Thanks for watching.